Alright, you can turn him. Dawn can sing better than the people on The Voice right now. Dawn's shenanigans are a little too much for me. Oh my god. Dawn, go find a movie.
We're gonna watch some of the lady shows that you watch.
Lady show. Housewives of Atlanta. Dawn, make sure you didn't pee on the toilet seat. Dawn's not happy unless her hair is eventually in a stinky ponytail. Mama, my whoopee cushion broke. Can I get another one?
Sure.
Yes!
How can you function without a whoopee cushion?
That's a good question. I can't. That's why I need a new one. Susan's gonna hate she missed this trip.
Why?
I don't know.
Because she didn't get a whoopee cushion.
Everybody likes to go to the dump. Mama, why'd you ask me if I had a weapon when we were leaving the dump?
I thought we was gonna have to whoop somebody.
Oh, violence is not the answer. Mama, have you realized that violence is the answer sometimes?
Sometimes people have to understand.
Did you go back? Holy crap, they got Halo toys in here. Can't ask Mama for those, they're too expensive. Mama, what kind of dish detergent are you looking for?
That's non-concentrated donut down there. It's $2.
So?
This palm olive is...
Mama, do you need some more wine?
This makes me want to go home and clean house.
Well, God, get every bottle they got then. Mama's trying to pick out cleaning products like she's going to use them.
No, like you're going to use them. Yeah.
No. Susan would whine and cry until she got what she wanted when she was little.
Sure.
Ain't much changed. Mama, I can't roll my window down.
Why?
It's manual. It's not automatic.
It's not a push button.
No.
Church.
Mama, ain't you glad you ain't got to pick me up from kindergarten in this line of cars?
I'm telling you.
Oh my. That's the way it looked when Susan had to pick me up. That's the way it looked when Susan would pick me up some days from my class at university.
I'll let you walk home.
Oh, she tried. Mama, why are we going 90 miles an hour down 27?
We're going 49 miles per hour.
That was close. There's an easy situation here. All you gotta do is use your blinker.
Wow, that's just my credit.
Use the blinker. What credits are you talking about?